What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Nayan Creators. Today in this video I am unboxing a car. So the name of the car is Rock Roller Car. So let me unbox it. So before watching my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you enjoy the video, give a like, and for more and more videos, please press the bell icon. So let me start. Now I will open the box of this car. I had opened, now I will remove the car. Wow, what a nice car! It is green in color, and they had given in this box one remote controller and one car. Now I will open first the remote controller. This is the controller. I will keep this in the side. Next is the car. We can press this like this. Springs are there here. Inside we got one simulation box. Inside the simulation box we got one charger. Let me keep this in the side. Next is the battery. Now I will put the battery first in the car. I had opened the back cover. Now I will put the battery. I had put, now I will close this. Now I will put the battery in the remote controller. One battery, two batteries. I put the both batteries. Now I will test the car. If we press like this, means the car will go forward. If we press like this, means the car will come backward. And this is for the left and right. Now I will on the car. I had on, now I will play. So thank you for watching this video.